Vande Gurupada Dandam Bhakta Vrinda Samanitam Sri Chaitanya Prabhu Vande Nityananda Shahoditam Sri Nanda Nandanam Vande Shri Radhika Charanadham Shri Gopijana Samajuktam Shri Vrindavano Manoharam Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Sri Advaita Gadadhara Shivasadi Gaur Bhakta Vrinda Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare Hare. All glories to Sri Guru and Gauranga. All glories to Hare Krishna Mahamantra Sankirtan. All glories to Guru Parampara. All glories to Hare Krishna Mahamantra Sankirtan. All glories to assembled devotees. So, Sri Chaitanya Charitamrita Madhya Lila Ashtam Parichya means 8th chapter Madhya Lila Sri Chaitanya Charitamrita. So today there are no question. I am not getting any question. I don't know why. Maybe everybody questions over. So yesterday I explained about it. Lakshmi Kantadi Avatarer Haremon Lakshmi Adi Nari Gane Kare Akarshan. Krishna's attraction like this. Let me say what here they explain. Shayam Krishna hita aramma kariya gopi baladev narayan lakshmi annanna prani shakolkei Krishna madhurya chanchal purita sabhavi samartha vishishta. They explain that even Krishna also become naughty with his madhurya sweet. Not only Krishna, surrounding Krishna, Lakshmi means whatever gopis, Lakshmi, whatever surrounding, Mahishis, everybody, they feel. Here actually Lakshmi Kantadi Avatare Haremo. Hare means stealing, Mon means mind. Stealing mind. Whose mind? Lakshmi Kantadi Avatare. Kanta means who accept Krishna as her husband. Lakshmi Kanta. Everybody. Lakshmi Adi Nari Ganer Kare Akarshan. Lakshmi. So many type of Lakshmi. Sahasra Lakshmi, Sahasra Shata Samma means thousands of Lakshmi. All the Nari means female form. They are also feeling attraction. All the incarnation, they feel attraction. Just such a beautiful. Madan Mohan. Mohan completely bewildered to meet to whom they want to meet. such type of form, beautiful form. Srimad Bhagavatam 10th canto. Rishadijatmaja me jubhayodi drikshuna mayapanita bhubi dharma guptaye kalabatir ba baner bhono suran hatteyo bhuasturoye matine. Srimad Bhagavatam. The Srila Bhaktivinoda Thakur says, Bhuma Purush কহিলেন, হে কৃষ্ণার্জুন, তোমাদিগকে দেখিবার মানসে আমি ব্রহ্মকুমার দিগকে এখানে আনিয়াছি। তোমার জগতের ধর্ম রক্ষার জন্য কলার সহিত অবতীর্ণ হইয়াছ। অবনীর ভাবরূপ অসুরদিগকে মারিয়া পুনরায় শীঘ্র আগমন করো। তাৎপর্য এই যে উমাপুরুষ লক্ষ্মী কান্ত শ্রীকৃষ্ণের মাধুর্যে মুগ্ধ হইয়া তাহার রূপ দেখিবার মানসে দ্বিজ কুমার দিগকে অপহরণের ছল দ্বিজ কুমার দিগকে অপহরণের ছল করিয়া কৃষ্ণকে দর্শন করিলেন। মিন্স দ্বিজাত্মজা যে যুবয় দিগ্দিক্ষিণ Bhuma Purush, matlab not ordinary female or ordinary male, Bhuma, the expansion. So, hey Krishna, oh Krishna, tumadigoke, means to see you and all, means it's in our mind to see in our all. I appear here, Brahma Kumar দিগকে এখানে আনিয়াছি। তোমার জগতে ধর্ম রক্ষার জন্য কলার সহিত অবতীর্ণ। মানে actually it says that just to see Krishna's beautiful form, all the incarnation, all the god and goddesses, like Arjuna, expansion of Indra, Bhim, expansion of Vayudev, Yudhishthir, expansion of Dharmaraj, such type of. So I brought all of them. Even, I think, in Navadvip Dham, if you go there, then you can see there is a place named Samudragad. A Samudragad in the upper Yuga, there was a king named Samudra Sen. Samudra Sen, he is really great devotee of Krishna. After Kurukshetra battlefield, Yudhishthir Maharaj sent 4 brothers, 4 sides, 4 directions. So to that side, Samudragad side means near Navadvip. Bhimsen went there. Samudra Sen has strong desire to see Krishna. He has strong desire. So what to do? Bhim is very powerful, but he has desire to see Krishna. So he make a plan. When Yudhishthira Maharaj sent all his 4 brothers to make friendship, all surrounding kingdom, they should be friendship with Yudhishthira Maharaj, Chakravarti Raja. But Samudra Sen intentionally, he just take the role, he is not accepting friendship. So he is ready to fight with him. But he knows definitely he is defeated by Bhima. But that day he prayed to Krishna. Krishna, I like to see you. And I know if I give trouble, I put trouble into Bhima, anyhow, he will pray to you and his prayer he will appear. Then I will see you. Do you understand what I am saying? If I give trouble to Bhima, Bhima will pray to protect himself. Then he will appear to Bhima. In that way, I am able to see you. So please don't take it other way. Krishna, realize it. Krishna gave power to Samudra Sen. That day Samudra Sen applying all the weapons, all the arrows. Bhima unable to defeat. And then he felt so much trouble. And he prayed to Krishna. As soon as Krishna appeared to protect Bhima, in the battle no one can see Krishna, but Samudra Sen saw Krishna. All of a sudden he stopped. He stopped his battle and folded palm, prayed to Krishna. Pray to Krishna. So all the Brahma Kumar means all these surrounding Krishna, they are like God and Goddess. They want to see the beautiful form. Therefore he says like that. So finally, Bhima also feel astonished. Why? All of a sudden he stopped and he praying to Krishna. Then he described, this is mine. Then he made friendship with Yudhishthira Maharaj. So in that way, Shri Krishna Madhurya Mugdha hoiya tahara roop dekhibar manasya. Roop dekhibar manasya. The beautiful form, Madana Mohan form. They want to see. Kashanubhavasya no deva vidmahe tavagnirenu sparshadhikara jadmanchaya sila lanacharastapa vihaya kamyan suchiram dhutavrata. हे देव, जहाँ चरण रेणु लाभ करिबार सारी सब प्रॉब्लम, जहाँ चरण रेणु लाभ करिबार कम बासनाय कमला बहुकाल समस्त काम परित्याग पूर्व धितव्रता हইয়া तपस्या करिতেছিলেন। সেই চরণ রেণু এই কালীয় সর্প সে কি স্বীকৃত দ্বারা লাভ করিবার অধিকার প্রাপ্ত হইল তাহা আমরা জানি না। So here हे देवा Krishna Chahar Chandana. We have desire to get the fit dust of Krishna, like our desire to get fit dust of pure devotees. Similarly, there Bahukal, Kamala Bahukal Samasto Kam Parityag Purva Dhitavrata Hoiya. Dhitavrata means fixed vow. He said, I have to take. No, any vow. If we are not fixing our mind, like we are chanting Krishna for what? We should fix our mind, fixing our mind, that we want to get free through the chanting Hare Krishna Mahamantra. We have to fixing our mind. We should not split from that. under any circumstances. So this is the determination, we can say. चरण लाभ करिबार बासना कमला बहुकाल समस्त काम परित्याग पूर्व धितव्रत है तपस्या करियाछे सेई चरण रेणु এই কালীয় সর্প সে কি স্বীকৃত দ্বারা লাভ করিবার অধিকার প্রাপ্ত হইল তাহা আমি জানি না। কালীয় সর্প মিন্স কালীয় নাগ। You know, this we are chanting in this Vrindavan Parikrama song. Jayo dijo patni jayo নাগকর্ণা গণ ভক্তিতে যাহারা পাইল গোবিন্দ চরণ। Bhakti means determination. So they are Dijapatni means Vedic Brahman. 4 Veda, they are chanting, they are able to pronounce, chant. Nagakanna, they saw the God, the chance to serve lotus feet of Krishna. The Kaliyana also, I already explained once that Kaliyana, previously he was a king, and he committed offense to Agastya Rishi, and Agastya Rishi's feet bathing nectar, Charanamrit, it was full of pus and blood, means leprosy, bad smell. When he washed the feet, Agastya's feet, he was unable to drink it because of the bad smell. When he was not able to take it, he put it on his head. Because of hypocrisy, because of that hypocrisy tendency, this karma, hypocrisy tendency, karma will allow, which dragging us to take bath in a snake form. Snake unable to walk straight way, always zigzag. Therefore, so that king became Kaliyana. He put the Charanamrita Agastya Rishi on his head. Therefore, he has opportunity. Because where is Vaishnavas, Patadhuli, fit dust. There is Krishna. Where is Vaishnavas, fit dust, there is Krishna there. Means Jatirthe Vaishnava nai, Satirthe nahi jai. Kilab hatiya durodesh. Where Vaishnava not living, it is better for us not to go over there. What is the use to walk long way? That is the explanation. Why? Because in the heart of Vaishnava, Krishna is resting forever, eternally resting. So, to that opportunity, the fit dust of devotees is giving us such opportunity. So therefore, we have to be very careful that we should not be harmful for any Vaishnava. Better to become helpful, not harmful. So anyway, so Kaliya Sarpa, his wife, Nagakanna, or the daughter, Nagakanna, they are praying to Lord, then they got the Lord mercy. And so Krishna was dancing on the hood of Kalyanag because of this pit dust. Charan He Deva Jaha Charan Lav Kurivar Mashana. So in that way Kalyanag got the Krishna's feet dust and feet on his head. The good or bad? Definitely good, right? That is our goal. Apon madhurje hare aponar mon apna apni chahe korite alingan. Krishna. This is Adi Lila Chaturtha Paris, 4th chapter we have to go. Later I can just, it's too much. Ei Lila, Eistale Adi Lila Chaturtha many ways. Apon Madhurije Hare, no need to go and say that, that's too big, Apon Madhurije, our own sweet. Hare aponar mon. Hare means stealing his own mind. Madan mon. Apana aponi chahe korite alingan. Means gala lagan. He was trying to embrace it himself. Such a beautiful. No need to go to that. Aparikalpito purvo kaschamat karakari spuritamama goi anesha madhurjo puro ayo mahamapi hanta pekhajan lubdha cheta sarvasama pavajuktam Kamaye Radhikaye Radhikeva. Means the Radharani, his I think I have to go there. Whatever Prabhupada says, 4th Adi Chaturtha 146. It's too much, मतलब द्वारका नववृंदावने मणि भित्तिते श्री कृष्ण पुनः प्रतिकृतिते सत्संग करियाছে বলিতেছে अपरिकलित पूर्वा चमत्कारकारी येष गरियान गुरुतर जंख माधुर्यपुरा स्फुरित अहं अयम अहं. And Krishna himself looking his reflection and how he feels. Where is Dwaraka, Navavindavana? Pratikriti means reflection. Own beautiful form he saw, and he is telling that there's Radhika Ivo Lubdho Cheta Shana Sharavarasha Upavuktam Kamai Obilashita. When Radharani he has desire to meet with Radharani with his form, but he is in Dwaraka, he is lamenting there. So Radha The Krishna Tattva, like Krishna, too much. In brief, we can say that Krishna, whatever surrounding that, actually Radha is the most attractive for Krishna, we can say. In that way, all the sloka are proving that Krishna's beauty, he has such a beauty, but Krishna feel attraction towards Radha. How much Radha is beauty there. Then it's a Radha Tattva Varna. Other time I'm not feeling only this time, I don't know why. Radhika Tattva Varnarambha. Radha Rani Tattva. Before Krishna. Eita Sankhepe Kahilo Krishnero Swarup. Ebe Sankhepe Kahi Radha Tattva. Before Krishna, Madan Mohan. Madan Mohan, he is such beauty, himself he feels attraction, himself he wants to embrace his reflection. And when he saw in Dwaraka the diamond, his reflection, Moni means diamond, right? Diamond, jewel, the jewel, and then he also felt that different places, Srimad Bhagavatam, and different Shastra, what they describe, just explaining Lalit Madhav, Nataka, so that. Now here, Raya Ramananda says about the Radha Tattva, Radhika Tattva Varnarama. But here, what is the explanation is, Srila Krishna Das Kaviraj Goswami says, this is, in brief, I explained that Krishna's beauty, how he used to feel attraction with his own beauty. And now he is going to describe Radha Tattva. Radha, what is the truth of Radha Rani? Let us see. Krishna Shakti Traya. Radha, Krishna Ananta Shakti Tate Teen Pradhan. So many Shakti. Potency. Shakti means potency. So many potency. Chit Shakti, transcendental potency. Maya Shakti. Maya Shakti means Para Shakti. Jiva Shakti now. Jiva Shakti means living entities. Maya Shakti means illusionary energy. Chit Shakti means transcendental energy. Jiva Shakti means Tatastha Shakti. Not transcendental, not transcendental, and not illusionary energy. In between this position, marginal line, is a Tatastha Shakti, Jiva Shakti. Antaranga, Bahiranga, Tatastha, what that is. Antaranga, Chit Shakti, Bahiranga, Maya Shakti, Tatastha, Kohi Jare, Antaranga, Swarup Shakti, Shavarupari. Three types of potency. Antaranga, Bahiranga. Bahiranga means illusionary energy. Antaranga means internal potency or transcendental potency. And Tatastha means marginal potency. Among the three, Antaranga Swarup Shakti Savarupare. Swarup Shakti, Antaranga means internal potency, Savar topmost. Vishnu Shakti Para Prokta Khetra Gyakha Tatha Para Avidya Karma Sangana Tritiya Shakti Rishyate. Tritiya Shakti Rishyate. Avidya Vishnu Shakti Para Prokta Khetra Gyakha. Let me see what our Amrita Prabha Bhashyam and Bhaktivinoda Thakur says, or Prabhupada says. is 152. Adi Saptam Parichet 119 Shankha. Let me check. 7th chapter. Seventh chapter, 119 Shankha. Okay, here. Vishnu Shakti 3 प्रकार. Para, Kshetrugga, Abhidha, Sangha, Vishishta. Very difficult to translate in English. Para means transcendental. Kshetrugga means Kshetra means positional pilgrimage. And Abhidha means it is with what is called illusionary Abhidha. Vishnur Parashakti Chit Shakti. Parashakti, everything there. Kshetraga Shakti and Jeev Shakti. जहाँ के माया अविद्या होते अपरा भिन्ना बोलिया उक्त हो जाचे कर्म संगारूपा अविद्या शक्ति नाम माया. So 3 type of potency. Para means transcendental potency. Kshetra Shakti means marginal potency, Jeev Shakti. And जहाँ के माया रूपा अविद्या अपरा Abhidha, Sangha, Vishishta. The 3 types are actually same. They are supporting slope they are putting. Satchidanandamaya Krishna Swarup Atev Swarup Shakti Hoy Teen Roop. Satchidanandamaya. Before I explain about this, Sat Chit Ananda. Sat Chit, it is applicable for Krishna. Ananda for Radharani. So let me see what their explanation. Atev Swarup Shakti hai 3 roop. Swarup Shakti Tividha roop. Anandangsha Ladini, Sadangsha Sandhini, Chidangsha Sambit, Jare Gyan Kori Mani. Anandangsha Ladini. Ladini means Anandadayini Shakti. This is Radharani. Sadangsha Sandhini means Baladev. Chidangsha Sambit means Gyan, knowledge. Jare Gyan Kori Mani. Samhita already explained that. Ladini, Sandhini, Sambit, Tajjoka, Sarva Samsvaye. Lad Tapakori Mishra Toino Guna Varjite. This is a supporting slope from Vishnu Puran. Ladini, Radharani, Sandhini, Baladev, Sambit, Gyan, Tajjuka Sarva Samsari. Always we are Samsari. Sarva Samsaya means always we are putting in doubt, right? Which one? Lada Tapakari Mishra Toina Guna Varjite. Lada Tapakari means Ladini's potency, means Radharani's potency. Mishra Toita Guna Varjite. All these 2 others is defeated by Ladini, Anandangsha. You see, Sandhini means existential potency, like this Holy Dham. Holy Dham. Who appeared? Who made this? Vishnu. Existential potency. So here, our Narottam Thakur, he composed very nice song about Nityananda. Nityananda, yeah, I think all of you know about that song. Nitai Pada Kamala, Koti Chandra Sushitala, Jechaya Jagat Ujuraya. Nitai Kamala, Nitai Pada Kamala, lotus feet of Nitai. Koti Chandra, one moon may cool entire world, or his lotus feet. Koti means 10 million moon. That way Sushitala means very cold, proper shelter for everyone. In that song there is an explanation. Without Nitai's mercy, we are not able to get Radha Krishna's service. Nitayer Koruna Have Broji Radha Krishna Pave. Sandhini, we need Sandhini Shakti, should not that ignore Tananda. Why? Without Sandhini Shaktis, means without existential potential, there is no dham, to place of manifesting pastime. No place for manifesting pastime. So therefore, Chidangsha Shambhi Ladini Sandhini Shammit Tamo Tojoka Sarva Samsaya. Everyone in doubt what is most important, what is actually everything connected. Lada Tapakari Mishra Toino Guna Varjite. Lada Tapakari Mishra Toino. Ladini has Sat Chit Ananda. Sat Chit is there, Ananda means our goal. That is Chidamane Ladini, actually Antaranga Shakti, internal potency. Like I can make you happy outwardly, right? Outwardly, I can make you happy. But internally happy, a different role should be required, right? If you really want to make happy Krishna, is Antaranga potency. Means Antaranga means internal potency. Should be fully respected. The Radha's mercy, that's what Krishna says, without Radha's mercy, no one can have my mercy. So, Lada Tapakari Mishra Toina Guna Varjite. Lada Tapakari. So therefore, if we just respect everyone, Lada Tapakari Mishra Toina Guna Varjite, then we can have. Let me see what Prabhupada says about it. Adi Chaturtha Parichet, 63, actually 63 Shankha. My voice is too much. If it is too big, I have to find out where he compose. Too big. Come on. 61 63. Oh my God. Four pages. I think I cannot read it. I cannot read this, you know. There is so many detailed explanation. বেদও কথিত আছে যে প্রভুপাদ বেদও কথিত আছে যে ভক্তি ভগবানের নিকট ভক্তকে লইয়া যান, ভক্তি ভক্তকে ভগবত দর্শন করান, ভগবান ভক্তি বশ ভক্তিরই বাহুল্য তথায় 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 কথিত হইয়াছে। অতএব এইরূপ বিবেচিত হইতেছে যে বস্তু শক্তি ভগবানকে নিজ আনন্দ দ্বারা উন্মত্ত করান, তার লক্ষণ কি? It's too much tiny things explain. Bhakti, actually bhakti's explanation, then all these symptom of bhakti. সতী এই রূপে মায়া ভগবানকে অতিক্রম করিতে পারে না, ভগবান too much, you know. 4 pages constantly. Jiva Prabhu, Bhagavad Bhakti Sandarbhe, which Acharya says where Bhakti Sandarbha, Tattva Sandarbha, everything is described here. Vishnu Puran, Je Shakti, Bhagavan Ananda Vidhan, he explained like how Radharani is most important than other, but we need both of everything. Sambit, Gyan, also Ladini. In order to realize Ladini means pleasure potency. We need both to existence potency and Sambit, knowledge, Sambit. So anyway, that is the in brief I can tell you like that. Krishna ke Allah dete tate nama Ladini. সেই শক্তির দ্বারে সুখ আস্বাদে আপনি। কৃষ্ণকে আহ্লাদে, কৃষ্ণ by whose association Krishna become extremely blissful, আহ্লাদে, তাতে নাম Ladini, that is called Ladini, means pleasure potency. এই জন্য সুখ দিয়ে because Krishna's expansion Radharani. So Krishna's expansion bhaktagone sukh dite Ladinir karon. But in order to make Lord and make happy to his devotees, the karon means cause is Radharani. Why? I already explained before. Without Radharani's mercy, no one can get my mercy. That na Radha prasadena, without Radharani's mercy, no one can get my mercy. That is Krishna's clear explanation. Ladinir sarangsha tar prem naam, আনন্দ চিন্ময় রূপ রসের আখ্যান। লাদিনী Ladini means pleasure potency, মানে Radharani's তার নাম প্রেম, প্রেম divine love, প্রেম নাম আনন্দ চিন্ময় স্বরূপ, চিন্ময় রূপ রসের আখ্যান। আনন্দ চিন্ময় transcendental blissful form. What? Transcendental blissful form is Radharani. Transcendental blissful form is Radharani. And Rosher, that Rosh, mellow, also Radharani. Ananda Melo is Radharani. Pimir Paramshar Mahabhav Jani, say Mahabhav Rupa Radha Thakurani. Pimir Paramshar. This is like Param is ultimate essence. Just churning. It's nectar coming. Huh? Whole ocean to churning, for poison appear. That poison is Lord Shiva, drink it. Then after the churning, the nectar appear. Right? Here like an entire the prem, divine love, whatever prem exists. So if you just manthan means churning that again and again, the ultimate essence is Mahabhavajani. Mahabhav means that Radharani is Mahabhav, Rasharaj Mahabhav. That bhav, and a bhav, different type of Mahabhav, which ultimate bhav, mood. Say Mahabhav Sarupa, Mahabhav Rupa, that embodiment of that Mahabhav, Radha Thakurani. Srimati Radharani is the embodiment of that Mahabhav. Therefore you can see, under any circumstances, Radha never left Krishna Seva. Even her husband, of course, there is no internal potency, no one can mind, but Krishna is such a, you can say, Krishna has such loving affection. Krishna has such loving affection towards the devotee. The devotee have desire to marry his internal potency. Named Sutapa. In golden age. That Sutapa Brahmin appeared in the form of Abhimanyu or Iron Ghosh. But he became to Newton gender. But he has married, he has desire to marry. Marriage is there. But anyway, so Radharani married, therefore in that we can say her husband. And husband mother means mother-in-law Jotila, sister-in-law Kutila, brother-in-law Durmu. Everybody, they are blaming that Radha have no chastity. Nowadays, if any woman, if you blame them, you have no chastity, how they feel themselves? Definitely, they feel angry, they like a turmoil. In family, turmoil. Right? But Radha just silent. He just tolerate everything. Never. In order to prove that Radha chastity, she never break chastity. Krishna appeared once in Javad with some exorcist, Oja, in the form of exorcist, not with one, in the form of exorcist. And he put on string on the Jamuna river. Then he says, who has chastity? That woman can cross the Jamuna river just to walk on the stream with one water pot, the kalash on their head. They should walk on that. You can see Vrindavan women, they can walk. They're putting kalash on the head, they're walking freely. right? Similarly, Krishna makes such type of play, we can say. So everybody came, Jotila also came, fall down, Kutila came, everybody fall down. Then everybody wants to see whatever Radha crossed. Cross that with the sting. See, cross is it. And everybody surprised. No? Krishna once he came to Radha, he forget to bring the flute with him. Then Jotila saw it, the Kutila saw it. Then, this relative, they want to see that Radharani has fallen. Look here, he always associates with a black boy. And he has no chastity. So why that flute in her place? Then Krishna ran with flute. Krishna arranged the Basi Dishti, means instead of water, all the flute, so many flute in so many houses. When they are complaining to other houses, they say, yeah, flute also in such flute also in our home. Totally confused. Radha is internal potency of Krishna. Sarup Shakti. Ladini Shakti. Internal potency. Play the potency of Krishna. Krishna become more happy. Krishna himself happy, embodiment happy. But Radha make him more happy, you can say. So another way I can say, Krishna came to meet with Radha in her home, in law house. Then Jotila Kutila saw that black boy enter to the Radha's room. So they always complain about Radharani's unchaste to meet with that black boy. So now Krishna entered in her room. They locked the door. They called his brother, Iron Ghosh. Look, your wife. What is it? We are always complaining, but you don't believe your wife is unchaste. We can swear. Iron Ghosh was worshipper of Kali, goddess Kali. In his room, there is a Kali deity there. The goddess Kali deity there. The Krishna become Kali form. Radha worshipping the Kali. When they look, hey, what happened? No one the Kali deity there. When Iron Ghosh came, they said, she's worshipping my worshipful goddess. She's fine. Why? Actually, you have some jealousy on her. All of you are jealous. In that way. So, what do I say? প্রেমের পরম সার মহাভাব জানি, এটা পড়েছি না? Anyway, I think I already read that. প্রেমের পরম সার মহাভাব জানি, সেই মহাভাব রূপা রাধা ঠাকুরানী। say form of this Mahabhav. You know that? I read, huh? प्रेमेर स्वरूप देहो प्रेम विभावितो कृष्णेर प्रेयसी श्रेष्ठ जगते विदितो प्रेमेर स्वरूप देहो स्वरूप प्रेमेर स्वरूप means embodiment of prem, divine love. Prema vibhavito, full of love. Krishna prayasi shrestha, that embodiment of loving love which Krishna prayasi very dear to Krishna. Jagate vidito. It is no one cannot find a second person, only one. So therefore, Radharani is topmost. Radharani is topmost. No one can equal to her, and no one can forget about above. So therefore, this explains Premer Swarup Deho Prema Vibhavito. Always Prema Vibhavito. She doesn't care if you just blaspheme her, blame her. You see, you are unjust. She is totally surrendered to serve Krishna. Also, Krishna become also bewildered to be with Radha. Therefore, entire Sakhis favor that, taking a role of different service. Lalita, Vishakha, everybody, their main goal is to keep together Radha Krishna. Not like a keeping split. When Radha Krishna together, then that makes them blissful. Similarly, when we means a devotee of Radha Krishna. When we keep Radha Krishna together, see Radha Krishna together, only Krishna we are not happy. We are not feeling that much happy. Radharani is there, that makes us happy. Because our chanting, Hare Krishna Mahamantra chanting, it is also Radha Krishna. Chanting Hare means Radhe, Krishna, and Hare indicate Radharani, Krishna indicates Krishna, Ram also indicates Krishna. So Radha Krishna. So our main goal also to see Radha Krishna with her intimate associates, because we want to follow footsteps of their intimate associates, Sakhis. Lalita Sakhis, the Sakhir Anugatva, we have to follow the footsteps of Sakhis. We are not able to reach directly. Now, pure normal Sakhi like Lalita, Vishakha, Chitra, Champalata, Rangadevi, Shudevi, Tungavidya, Indulekha. So, there's also also 8 Manjaris. Kashturi Manjari, pure normal Sakhi also. Yesterday is not right. They're very dear. So they are, we have to follow their footsteps. So Premer Swarupa Deho Prema Vibhavito Krishner Prayasi Shrestha Jagate Vidito. You cannot compare with Radharani. Sei Mahabhav hai Chinta Manisha. Sei Mahabhav hai Chinta Manisha কৃষ্ণ বাঞ্ছা পূর্ণ করে এই কার্যতা চিন্তামণি, thought fulfilling. That's monument stone, right? That's thought fulfilling stone. সেই মহাভাব, মহাভাব রূপা রাধা রানী, চিন্তামণি সার. Always we have to think about Radha. Then we can get Krishna. Krishna বাঞ্ছা পূর্ণ করে এই কার্যতার. Always Radha Rani fulfill Krishna. Mother called cook for Krishna. Which is history there. History is this. You have 23. Huh? So anyway, we can talk tomorrow about that. Hopefully tomorrow should not be any that coughing. Now coughing time will come. I don't know why. Maybe I drink some water. So anyway, this is the just I'm translating. I'm not an English man. English is my first language. It's very difficult in classical Bengali language. I'm not also. My subject was not literature. So it is difficult for me, but I'm trying my best way to express the inner meaning of each text of Chaitanya Charitamrita. And Prabhupada, Bhaktivinoda Thakur, their commentary is too big. We can read it if you want to say, if you want to hear. Then I can read it, but it will take too much time to finish this chapter. Ashtam, 8th chapter, is too long. Because 8th chapter connected with Adi Lila, 4th chapter, 5th chapter, 6th chapter, 7th chapter, everything connected. So it's not easy. Therefore, as much as I can, I am just explaining my way of translation. So if you please let me know your desire, then I can just follow your order. Hare Krishna.